my dear colleague Chakravarti. Besides being the WPO Global Ambassador, Mr. Chakravarti is the National Board Member of the Pharmaceutical Export Council of India, and he's really an expert in the pharmaceutical sector. So that's why I would like you to ask you to tell us what are really the latest packaging innovation technology for the pharmaceutical industry after post-COVID era.
Thank you, Soha. Very good afternoon to the elite learned friends in the audience. You came from all parts of the world to exchange views this afternoon. Well, pharmaceutical packaging is one of the most close topics to my heart. Not just I belong to this pharmaceutical community. Well, Soha, packaging is important for any sector, be it food, pharma, automobile, electrical, electronics, agriculture, chemical, whatnot, you name anything. But I perceive packaging for pharmaceuticals is more important just because the industry is life-saving and life-sustaining industry, unlike the others, keep apart from the food industry. I will try to elaborate a little bit. Post-COVID, the interactions between the patient and the physicians are coming down and down, right? And more of a digital interventions. Leave about a big surgeries or serious diseases, but even an average disease, you can always come in contact with a well-known physician, not just in your part of the world, but other parts of the world as well. Because with the high bandwidth internet, at the same time, you can provide sufficient documentation, share with the physician, e-sharing, all your diagnostic reports, and then face-to-face, it's an interaction. And the physician prescribes you medicines, and you still buy the medicines, not going out of your home, because from the e-pharmacy, order them and get to them. You might be wondering why this guy is talking about all these things. But here, I made a statement a couple of years ago. Packaging will be your second physician. People did not understand, but now, post-COVID, it's all the more relevant. The packaging will be your second physician, just because in several medicines, you all know, we need to go with the compliance. For example, the dosage. It's a combination of medicines. Maybe on the day one, you need to take one pill in the morning, one pill in the afternoon, and the day two, continue the same, or day three, you might be different. Or in another way, in the day one itself, you might be taking one strength of one pill and other pill together. Life is a lot of complexity, my dear friends, right? So here, packaging comes to your rescue. I'll give you a simple example. For hormones tablets, all the women know, 1 to 28, you have the course of tablets. It has different strengths. You have to start from the day one. Imagine if you take the tablet which is supposed to be taken on the 30th day 28, on the first day, either way around. How do you ensure the compliance to the patient? My dear friends, packaging comes to your rescue. That is where the packaging is becoming your second physician, by way that I always keep telling, the final contact between the patient and the drug, the medicine, is nothing but packaging. So packaging ensures you to take proper medicines in proper time and to get cured. So the recent latent advantages of this packaging allows you to do the pharmacist job, to do the physician job. That's how the role of packaging has again become more relevant post-COVID, I believe.